Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Money Phone. My name is Ryan, and today I'll be showing you how to activate airplane mode on your iPhone 13 Pro. Now, the reason to use airplane mode is so that the cellular transmitter on your phone is disabled. You can use this so that you can use your phone on an airplane so that there's no cellular data coming in or out of your phone. But also, if you want to conserve battery, airplane mode is a good way to conserve more battery. To activate airplane mode, swipe down in the top right to open up the control center, and in the top left, there's an airplane symbol. If you press that, it will turn off all of your cellular data. And that is how to turn on airplane mode on the iPhone 13 Pro.